Sexual reproduction in algae can be of three different types on the basis of the kind of gametes that fuse together. On basis of fusing gametes. They are divided as isogamous, anisogamous and oogamous. In isogamous, the fusing gametes are similar in size. In anisogamous, the fusing gametes are dissimilar in size. And for oogamous, the female gamete is always large and non-motile, and the male gamete is small and motile. In isogamous, the gametes may be flagellated, example Chlamydomonas, Eulothrix, or they can be non-flagellated, example Spirogyra. These are important examples from NCERT, especially the Spirogyra example of non-flagellated. Spirogyra has non-flagellated isogametes. Chlamydomonas has flagellated isogametes. Like this you have to remember. Anisogametes, gametes are dissimilar in size. Example is some species of Chlamydomonas. Then Eudorina, and for oogametes there is all red alga. Example, all red algae show oogamous. Type of sexual reproduction, volvox, fucus. These are different examples of algae that show oogamous. So these are the three different types of sexual reproduction that takes place in algae on the basis of the fusing gametes.
महादेव के नाम पे सब्सक्राइब कर दें।